Explore the world with us. Let's embark on a journey of a lifetime, where we traverse across continents, lands, and seas, immersing ourselves in the serenity and vibrancy of Earth's rich tapestry. Come, step into the shoes of a global adventurer, uncovering bucket list destinations, hidden gems, and uncharted territories. As we wander through lush forests, along pristine beaches, over majestic mountains, and into pulsating cities, we'll get you equipped with insider travel tips, expert advice, and rich narratives. These are tips and tales that'll aid in your journey, but will also ignite your adventure spirit, lighting up a fire of curiosity within. We delve into cultures, trial local cuisines, interact with locals, and participate in indigenous traditions. Every winding path, every ripple in the water, every gust of wind, every beam of sunlight is an opportunity for discovery. We aim to make each journey an experience, an education, a story in itself. And amid this exploration, we hope to inspire you, motivate you, and enlighten you. We hope to stir your soul and awaken your senses. As we continue our ventures, we aim to instill a sense of wonder, a desire to learn, a passion to travel, and an aspiration to understand. We dive into the extraordinary with each loop, around every corner, traversing each terrain, uncovering each secret, and embracing each moment. And this extraordinary journey, this voyage of discovery, of adventure, of passion, of love for travel is found only here.